Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install a frontal wig step by step. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is apply any foundation or powder onto the cap before doing anything. This will make life much easier for you. After applying your foundation or powder, you want to spray your Got to Be spray all on the hairline. It is a spray, so it will drip down your forehead. No worries. When it comes to cutting the hole for your ear, you want to be sure to make a little slit. You do not have to cut a big hole. Just cut a small cut and then use your hand to stretch out the hole. Before cutting the cap, I wanted to make sure the cap was super secure, so I sprayed it and blow dried it a second time just to be on the safe side. Next, what you want to do is cut literally at the end of the sideburn. You should not see any hair at all. You want to always start cutting the cap from the middle, and then you want to line the hairline from that. You want to do the middle. I don't even know why. It definitely comes out way better like that, and it's an easier guide. So yeah, you always want to start from the middle and then work your way around both sides. Like I said, when you spray it, it's going to come down on your forehead, and this actually makes it easier to guide you. So if you feel like it's too low, you can always cut up, but it'll still be secure on your head, if that makes sense. So after spraying the forehead, once that's all dried, you want to be sure to always clean it up with alcohol pads, water, anything. Next, you want to apply the glue. When applying the glue, you want to literally put dots. You don't want to just squeeze the glue and drag it across the hairline. You want to do dots and then smoothen it in with the end of the comb. After smoothing the glue out, you want to be sure to blow dry until the glue is clear and tacky. Next, you want to do the same exact thing for your second layer and third layer. it's time to glue that frontal, make sure you push all those hairs back, comb up all the baby hair, and make sure you use a clip to hold the hair back. Because when gluing it down, baby hairs will get stuck, flyaways will get stuck, and it is so annoying and so hard to get rid of. And it looks crazy when it's stuck in the glue. So always be sure to pin the hair back. When it is time to glue the frontal down, you want to make sure the first thing you glue down is the middle. That makes life so much easier for you. Do not glue anything down first but that middle. Next, you want to use a comb to just help, flatten it. And if it's stuck up, it makes things easier. You could just comb it back. What I do is hold the lace and then I comb the hair back. So I pull the lace down onto the glue and then I comb the hair back so like the lace isn't gathering or anything. It's just flat and just giving you scalp vibes. Look at that. So that extra piece of lace, I'm just cutting it off so that I can have more of a natural look and it's not so much lace on her face. Because when the lace is on your face, it just looks clumpy after a while. It's better to cut off as much lace as you can. Applying the glue and everything, again, I wanted to make sure the lace was super secure, so I just sprayed it, tied it down, and blow dried it just to speed up the process. So because of the spray and everything in the hairline, and I'm getting ready to do the baby hairs, I wanted to soften the hair, so I put mousse all in the hair, just so that I can mold the hairline and it'll be easier to, get the baby hairs out. Also, when it comes to baby hairs, you want to make sure to just take very thin pieces of hair so that your baby hair is not too thick. You always want your baby hair to be as natural as possible. When it comes to cutting your baby hair, you always want to, slither it, not just cut it, because then you'll get a blunt cut and it'll be harder to do the baby hair. 10 times harder. spray just so that it could stay in place and tie it down. Then blow dry it, just so that when the headscarf comes off, it's molded, it's not moving, and it's gonna be good for a while. Next, I am going to style the hair. I added a little bit of powder to the hairline just so it can look more like scalp. I really didn't need it, but it's optional. You can do it if you want to. And that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to see next. Later.